In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volume-weighted moving average quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add the volume-weighted moving average, or VWMA, to your TradingView charts so you can start using it in your own analysis right away. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open for the market you want to analyze. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, or any other asset. Once your chart is up, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually located in the main toolbar above your chart area. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open the Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search and add all kinds of tools to your charts. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type the word volume. Typing this helps filter the long list of indicators down to only those related to volume, so you can quickly find what you need instead of scrolling through everything. Take a second to check that you spelled it correctly, and you should start seeing a list of indicators appear underneath. From that filtered list, look for an indicator called Volume Weighted Moving Average. Sometimes it might be listed under the built-in section. When you see it, simply click on Volume Weighted Moving Average once. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically add the VWMA to your chart. You'll usually notice a new line appear over your price candles, calculated based on both price and trading volume. This is helpful because it gives more weight to periods where there was more activity, which many traders find more informative than a simple moving average. If you'd like to fine-tune how it looks or how it's calculated, you can hover over the indicator's name in the chart legend and open the settings. Here, you can adjust things like the length of the moving average, the color, and the line thickness. Customizing it can make it easier to see alongside your other indicators. Finally, if you want to unlock more advanced features, extra chart layouts, and additional tools on TradingView, check out my affiliate link for TradingView Pro in the description below this video. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and helps me keep making clear step-by-step tutorials like this one. That's all you need to do to add the volume-weighted moving average quickly and easily. Follow these steps on your own chart, experiment with the settings, and start incorporating VWMA into your trading strategy.